Hi all, welcome to PHP application deployment, using the SaltStack demo. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the deployment of PHP applications, using the SaltStack configuration management tool, on 3 different operating systems: CentOS Red Hat-based, Ubuntu Debian-based, and Windows. The complete process orchestrated through Jenkins Pipeline. The tools, which are used in this PHP application deployment is: GitLab is used for source code management. Jenkins is used for continuous integration. SonarQube is used for code quality checks. JFrog Artifactory is used to manage the binaries. SaltStack is used for configuration management and continuous deployment. Terraform is used to provision the servers on OpenStack. OpenStack as the private cloud. Let's explore the workflow of PHP application deployment, stage by stage. In the first stage, we will provision 3 virtual machines in OpenStack, CentOS, Ubuntu, and Windows using Terraform. A Jenkins job is written to pull the Terraform code from GitLab, and execute it in OpenStack to provision 3 virtual machines. In the next stage, Jenkins job will pull the PHP application source code from GitLab. A webhook is configured on GitLab, so that the ongoing deployment job will trigger automatically, when a commit happens particular branch. In the next stage, the PHP application source code will be zipped, either in Jenkins master, or slave, based on a target operating system. In case any failure in the build step, pipeline will be aborted, the deployment package archived on Jenkins for future use. In this next stage, Jenkins uses SonarQube Scanner plugin for continuous inspection of code quality, to perform automatic reviews for static analysis of code to detect bugs, code smells, and security vulnerabilities. SonarQube offers report duplicated code, coding standards, unit tests, code coverage, code complexity, comments, bugs, etc. When the code doesn't meet the quality standards, an alert mail trigger to the development team, and the pipeline will be aborted. Once the code meets the quality standards, the archived PHP application package will be pushed to JFrog Artifactory repository. In the final stage, Jenkins will execute SaltStack state in all the minions, which will perform the below tasks to target minions. Download and install PHP, download, install, and configure Apache, download, install, and configure MySQL Server. Then it will pull the PHP package from JFrog, and unzip the package, and start Apache server. Finally, the PHP application will deploy all 3 servers. Let's see the pipeline in action. First, we will create the 3 servers. We have the separate Jenkins job to create these servers. This job will create 3 servers in OpenStack. Let's trigger the job. The job has been completed now. Let us check the OpenStack. Here, we can see all 3 servers created: CentOS, Ubuntu, and Windows. This is a PHP application webpage of CentOS server, this is a PHP application webpage of Ubuntu server, and this is a PHP application webpage of Windows server. So, all 3 servers' webpages don't contain any content, because the code deployment has not been triggered yet. Now, let us see how the continuous integration and continuous deployment of the PHP application happen, via the Jenkins pipeline. Let's trigger the Jenkins pipeline for PHP application deployment. In the first stage, the Jenkins pipeline job is preparing servers by running Terraform code, and adding servers as SaltStack minions to the SaltStack server. In the next stage, the Jenkins pipeline job is pulling the source code from GitLab. In the next stage, it will build the PHP source code as zipped, either in Jenkins master, or slave, based on the target operating system. In the next stage, SonarQube analysis is getting executed and validated against the quality gate. As the quality gate is passed, the Jenkins pipeline is pushing the build binary package to JFrog Artifactory. In the final stage of deployment, the Jenkins pipeline job will execute SaltStack state on all 3 minions, and the state files are already pushed from GitLab to the SaltStack server. As the code is already pushed in the SaltStack server, it is installing PHP and its dependency packages, installing and configuring Apache and MySQL, and pulling the package from JFrog, and deploying the package to the servers. Now the deployment has been completed. Let us refresh the web pages to see whether the PHP application is deployed and hosted on all the servers. For the CentOS server, here we can see the updated web page for the PHP application. For the Ubuntu server, this is the updated web page for the PHP application. And finally, for the Windows server, this is the updated web page for the PHP application. Let us see the continuous integration and continuous deployment in action. As a developer, let me make a visible change in a source code via GitLab UI, and see how the changes are deployed automatically in the servers. Here, I am changing the heading in the application, which should be visible in the application after the automated deployment. Let's commit the changes. Let's see Jenkins. Here the pipeline job is triggered automatically via the webhook as the administrator using. The pipeline is getting completed. Let us refresh the web pages. For the CentOS server, here we can see the updated web page. For the Ubuntu server, this is the updated web page. And finally, for the Windows server, this is the updated web page. This is the complete workflow of PHP application deployment using SaltStack on the various OS platform. For more information, please browse www.zippyops.com. Please follow us on social media, links are available in the description. Like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on DevOps. Thank you for watching this video.